There is something unsettling about a plant that moves, not slowly, not over days or seasons, but instantly. You touch it and it reacts. No sound, no warning, no visible reason. Just a quiet movement that feels almost intentional. Watch closely. This is not a trick. Nothing is hidden. I'm not cutting it. I'm not shaking it. I simply reach out and make contact. And in that exact moment, the plant changes. The leaves fold inward, the structure tightens. It is as if the plant is pulling away from me. But why? What does it sense? And more importantly, what does that say about the world we think we understand? Because for a very long time, people saw this and they could not explain it. Welcome to Green Wisdom, a place where we slow down and look again, because sometimes what seems simple, it is not simple at all. Here, we don't just look at plants, we try to understand them, not only through science, but through the way they make us feel. This plant is called Mimosa pudica. It grows quietly in warm, humid places. At first glance, there's nothing remarkable about it. Thin stems, soft leaves, a structure that seems delicate, almost vulnerable. If you walk past it, you might not notice it at all. It does not stand tall. It does not display bright, dramatic flowers. It simply exists, calm, still, unassuming. But that stillness is misleading because this plant is not passive, it is waiting. Not in the way animals wait, but in its own way. It is ready to respond, and the moment you touch it, that hidden behavior is revealed. The leaves begin to fold, not randomly, but in a pattern, a sequence, each part responding as if connected, and within seconds the plant transforms, from open to closed, from exposed to protected. It is no longer the same plant you saw a moment ago. For people who lived hundreds of years ago, this was more than unusual. It challenged everything they believed about nature. Plants were supposed to be silent, still, unmoving. They grew slowly, changed slowly, and remained in place. But this plant broke those rules. It reacted, it responded, it behaved almost like something you were. So people searched for meaning. Some believed the plant could feel, not like a human, but in a way that was still real. They gave it personality, they called it shy, they said it was sensitive, that it closed itself to protect its inner parts. Others believed something deeper, that the plant was connected to invisible forces, that it could sense things that humans could not. Some even avoided touching it because it felt like crossing a line, like interfering with something that should be respected. Over time, these ideas became stories, and those stories became belief. Today, we understand what is happening, but understanding does not remove the feeling. Inside the plant, there is a system, a simple but powerful system. When you touch the leaves, a signal is triggered. It travels through the plant, not slowly, but quickly, faster than you would expect from something without nervous. The signal causes tiny changes. Water moves inside the plant, pressure shifts, and that shift creates movement. The leaf folds, the stem lowers, the entire structure reacts. There are no muscles, no brain, no decision, just a response, a natural reaction built into the plant, and yet it feels like more than that, because the movement is so clear, so direct, so immediate, that it creates the illusion of intention. And maybe that is the most interesting part. Not the movement itself, but how it changes the way we think, because it reminds us of something important. The world is not always what it seems, and the line between simple and complex is thinner than we think. A plant that closes its leaves should not feel mysterious, but it does, because it changes our expectations. It forces us to look again, to question what we assume, and to accept that even the quietest parts of nature are full of hidden behavior. If you enjoy noticing things like this, the quiet details, the hidden reactions, then you are in the right place. Subscribe and stay curious, because nature has more to show you.